everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to know if someone has blocked you on BOTIM using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the BOTIM app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on chat section at the bottom of your screen and open the chat of the person you think may have blocked you. First sign is a message delivery. Send a simple message like hi. If your message does not get delivered for a long time, it could be a sign, but this alone is not 100% sure. The second sign is calling. Try to make a voice or video call to that person. If the call does not go through or fails every time, this may be another sign. Next, check the profile picture and status. Tap on the person name at the top of the chat. If you can't see the profile photo, last seen or updates anymore, may mean you are blocked. Another sign is no online status. If the person is never showing online, even when you know they are active, this can also be a clue. Now try one more thing. Ask a friend who also uses BOTIM to check the same contact. If a friend can see the profile and call them but you cannot, then you are most likely blocked. And that's it. This is how you can know if someone blocked you on BOTIM using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.